Students, it is question number 4 of exercise 1.2, and question is, show that the modulus function f mapping from R to R given by fx is equal to mod x is neither 1 1 nor onto, where mod x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod x is minus x if x is negative. This property of modulus function you people know. So fx is equal to mod x. Now mod x means it always gives us absolute value, positive values. So when we will find out f minus 2, so mod of minus 2 is 2 and f2 mod of 2 is also 2. So for two values we are getting one value. So it is not 1 1 function, it is many one function. That is why f is not a 1 1. Also fx is equal to mod x. Here if you see, here codomain is set of real numbers. Now if you see the range always assumes non-negative values, or we can say positive values. So negative real numbers in R, this R is a codomain, do not have their pre-images in a domain. That is why function is neither 1 1 nor onto, because for negative values in the codomain we are not having any pre-image in the domain. Same is with this question number 5. Here function fx is equal to 1 0 minus 1 if x is greater than 0 and if x is equal to 0 and x is less than 0. Now see, x greater than 0 means so many values. So many values means from 0 to infinity. So from 0 to infinity we are getting only one value, that is 1, and when x is 0 then we have 0, and x is less than 0 means from minus infinity to minus 1 we have only one value, that is minus 1. Again it is many one function, because from 0 to infinity result is 1, and when x is from minus infinity to 0 result is minus 1. So it assumes, or it takes only these three values. That is why the function is a many one, it is not a 1 1. Moreover, if you see for onto, if you see the codomain of the function is a set of real numbers, and range takes only three elements, that is 1 0 and minus 1. So there are infinite values in the codomain which are not having their pre-images. That is why the function is not onto. Now let us take question number 8. Question number 8 of the exercise is, question number 8 is, let A and B be sets show that f mapping from A cross B to B cross A such that f of AB is equal to BA is bijective function. Bijective means 1 1 as well as onto. Now but normally what we are doing to prove functions to be 1 1, we are taking two elements in the domain. Since it is in the form of a Cartesian product, so we will take a1 comma b1 and a2 comma b2 belonging to domain. Domain is here given A cross B, such that f of a1 b1 is equal to f of a2 comma b2, because condition is given here, f of AB is given equal to B comma A. So f of AB is here A1 B1. So f of A1 B1 will be equal to B1 A1. So that is why we will write it equal to this, and then A2 B2. So f of A2 B2 will be equal to B2 comma A2. So now from here we will get that B1 comma A1 is equal to B2 comma A2, because f of A1 B1 is B1 A1 and f of A2 comma B2 is B2 comma A2. So B1 comma A1 is equal to B2 comma A2. These two ordered pairs are equal. These are equal only when first element of this is equal to the first element of the second ordered pair, and second element of the first ordered pair is equal to second element of the second ordered pair. That is B1 is equal to B2, B1 is equal to B2, and A1 is equal to A2. This implies A1 comma B1 is equal to A2 comma B2. Now f of A1 B1 is equal to f of A2 B2. This implies A1 B1 is equal to A2 comma B2 for all these two elements belonging to the domain. So function is a 1 1. So it is the condition for the function to be 1 1. What we are doing, we are taking two elements in the domain, and then we take fx1 is equal to fx2, and if we get x1 is equal to x2, this whole is x1, this whole is x2. If x1 is equal to x2, then function is 1 1. Now to show it on to, what we will do, we will take this element in the codomain. So b comma a be element of b cross a. B cross a is here codomain. Then in ordered pairs, when we write the Cartesian product, then in ordered pair first element always belong to the first set and second element belong to the second set. So b will belong to b, capital B, and this small a, this element will be of a set A. So a belongs to a. So this implies a comma b belongs to a cross b. Thus, for all b comma a belonging to codomain, there exists a comma b belonging to domain. It means for every element of codomain we have a pre-image. This is the pre-image. Thus, f of ab is equal to ba. Therefore, function is onto function. It is nothing but it is the mapping of the function. Thank you.